Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm presenting a question of circle. There are two different circles of radius 17 and 25. They are intersecting at points A and B. The radius of first circle, smaller circle, is 17. The radius of bigger circle is 25. And the distance between the center of the circle is 28. We have to find out the length of AB. Let's see how we can solve this question. I'll give you two different approaches for this. Let's start with the first approach. The first approach is a very faster approach. We'll assume certain values with using Pythagoras triplet. Now, what is a Pythagoras triplet? If there is a right angle triangle, then the three sides of this triangle will be either 3, 4, 5, because 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So 25 is equals to 25. These are known, this is known as 3, 4, 5 is known as Pythagoras triplet. And there are many more Pythagoras triplets. For example, 5, 12, and 13 is another Pythagoras triplet. 8, 15, and 17 is another one. 7, 24, 25 is another one. And any multiple of this is a Pythagoras triplet. 3, 4, 5. If we take 6, 8, and 10, that will also form a right angle triangle. 5, double of 5 will be 10, 24, 26. This will also make a right angle triangle. So all these are Pythagoras triplet. They will form right angle triangle, and any multiple of these will make Pythagoras or maybe right angle triangle. Now let's solve this question using this particular knowledge of Pythagoras triplet. We can easily prove that this angle is 90 degree using congruence. This line CD is perpendicular to AB. So the line joining the center of the circles is always perpendicular to the common chord. CD is perpendicular to AB. Now if this CD is perpendicular to AB, and let's say this point is M, so AMC is a right angle triangle. If this is a right angle triangle, then we can apply Pythagoras triplet. If this is 17, the Pythagoras triplet which we can use is 8, 15, 17. So if this is 17, the other two sides will be 8 and 15. So either this is 8 and this is 15, or it can be other way around. AM can be 8 and CM can be AM 8 and CM is 18. 15, sorry. Now let's see if this satisfies this condition or not. This is 15 and 25. So we have this Pythagoras triplet 3, 4, 5, any multiple. Let's say double of this 6, 8, and 10. That is also Pythagoras triplet. Double, triple of this, or maybe 5 times of this. 5 threes are 5 fours are 5 fives. Now here we can see that this hypotenuse is 25 and this perpendicular is 15. So we can apply this Pythagoras triplet, and this value will be 20, 15, 20, 25. And we can see clearly that this satisfies this. 8 plus 20 is 28. So we can say that if this satisfies the condition, this CM will definitely be 8 and AM will be 15. Now there is a rule that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord, and therefore if AM is 15, BM is also 15, and the length of AB will be 15 plus 15 is 30 centimeter. Now if you will take 15 this side, CM is 15 and the AM is 8, that will not satisfy the second condition, and now CD will not be 28 in that case. For example, if I take 15 here, CM 15 and 8 here, then this will be 13. 13 and 8 will not form any triangle only. Let it be right angle triangle. This is not forming a triangle. So definitely AM is 15, CM is 8, and this is 20. 8, 20, 15, 25. So we have understood that we have got the value of AB as 30 centimeter using the Pythagoras triplet directly. Now, if we don't use this Pythagoras triplet, the another method is we'll take this line as x, and this will be 28 minus x. And this is right angle, as we have proved that this is right angle triangle. Line joining the centers will be perpendicular to the common chord. Then if I take AM, so AC square is equals to AM square plus CM square. Now we have AC is 17, AM, let's say Y. AM is Y square and CM is X square. So the value of Y square will be 17 square minus X square. This is in triangle AMC. Now similarly, we can take triangle AMD. In triangle AMD, AD square is equals to this triangle. We are using this triangle AMD. AD square is equals to AM square plus MD square. AD is 25, AM is Y, and MD is 28 minus X square. So the value of Y square is 25 square minus 28 minus X square. Now this is also Y square, this is also Y square. Equate the two equations. 17 square minus X square, 25 square minus 28 square minus 28 minus X whole square. Now applying A minus B whole square, we'll get 17 square is 289 minus X square. 25 is 625. Now A minus B whole square is A square, 28 square plus B square, but this is minus sign outside, so this will be minus X square plus minus 2AB, so that will become plus 2 into 28 into X. Now this is minus X square, this is also minus square, this cancel out. 289 is equals to 625 minus 28 square is 784 plus 28 to the 56x. So the value of 56x will be 289 minus 625 plus 784 is equals to 56x. Now, if we calculate 56x is equals to difference of this and sum of this 289 plus 784 minus 625 is 448. The value of x will be 448 upon 56. So if we divide these two numbers, we get x is equals to 8. And if x is equals to 8, then using Pythagoras theorem in triangle AMC, we know that y square is equals to 17 square minus x square. 17 square is 289 minus 8 square. 289 minus 64. Then this will be equal to y square is equals to 225 and y will be equal to 15. So the length of y will be 15 and similarly AM is 15, so BM is also 15. The value of AB will be 15 plus 15 is 30 centimeters. So using this theorem, Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of x by forming various equations. But the first approach is using the Pythagoras triplet. I hope friends you like this video. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel.